This is very bad.
Torrential rainfall from a series of strong thunderstorms triggered flash flooding across parts of Montreal's West Island and the South Shore on Saturday, leaving roads underwater and some homes damaged by rising water. Some West Island residents, including in hard-hit Pierrefonds, were evacuated from their flooded homes Saturday evening. The Gazette has learned, after rounds of thunderstorms swept across the Montreal region, cars were seen submerged in floodwaters, and about 25,000 homes lost power in the West Island. One resident was even seen navigating a flooded street in a canoe. Online, residents shared photos and videos showing significant flooding near Pierrefonds Boulevard, including vehicles partially submerged in water on flooded streets. Environment Canada issued an orange weather warning for the West Island, warning of flash flooding as rainfall totals surpassed 100 millimeters in some areas. Conditions were expected to improve later in the evening. Municipal crews, Montreal Police, SPVM, and Montreal Firefighters, SIM, were deployed to assist residents and respond to flooded streets and properties. SIM confirmed that many houses were affected by the flood and had damaged basements. Teams are on the ground. We're trying to help as best as we can, said Jim Bice, mayor of Pierrefonds-Roxboro. This quantity of rain is almost virtually impossible to manage. We are expecting some damages to come from it.
Wow, look at that. This is as far, and it goes down more. Oh, it was suck up my whole boots if I had to put on my foot right down. Yep, that's how deep it is, up to my water boots.
Flash flooding was reported in several communities, including Pierrefonds, La Prairie, and Saint-Constant. Authorities said some homes in the West Island took on water, while numerous roads were inundated or experienced significant water accumulation.
Several cars are stuck. I saw a big truck go through, but the cars, they got to be insane if they think they're going to go through here. Look at all these cars stuck.
I think there is a car disabled behind him. Oh, that other guy's getting out.
Over 38 millimeters of rain has fallen at Trudeau Airport in the last couple of hours. The storms moved southeast across portions of Laval, Pierrefonds-Dorval, and central Montreal before reaching the South Shore.
The entire street through Laval. The entire street. Like, if I film this way, it's just a river. It's just a fucking river. Holy shit. All I can hear are sirens and there's people trapped in cars down the intersection. And it's all flowing down.
Forecasters reported widespread lightning, torrential rainfall, and occasional hail.
This is not Montreal, Canada. This is fucking nuts. That guy's still stuck in his car over there. I'm trying to get him out of there. What the fuck?
Severe thunderstorm watches and warnings remained in effect for parts of southwestern Quebec, including the Montreal region, through Saturday evening. Other parts of the Montreal region experienced significant flooding. On Montreal's South Shore, Saint-Mathieu residents also reported streets submerged after successive storms moved through the area during the afternoon. In Dollard-des-Ormeaux, the city posted on Facebook the first incidents of flooding were reported around 3 p.m. Our teams have been mobilized in the field to monitor the situation, respond to calls, and assist residents in the most affected areas, the city said. We understand the difficulties and concerns this situation may cause for those affected, officials added. Rest assured that we are closely monitoring the situation and that our employees are working tirelessly to respond wherever their presence is needed. The city urged residents to avoid walking or driving through flooded streets.
Oh my god. This is actually I literally got a huge lightning bolt.
Thunderstorm watch issued by Environment Canada Saturday morning has been upgraded to a yellow warning as rain and hail hit parts of Calgary in the afternoon. In a statement issued Saturday afternoon, Environment Canada said meteorologists are tracking a cluster of severe thunderstorms capable of producing strong wind gusts up to quarter-size hail and heavy rain. Thunderstorms extend south of Calgary and are traveling east at 40 kilometers per hour. Take immediate cover if a thunderstorm approaches, the statement said. If outside, protect yourself from flying debris and hail. Earlier Saturday, Environment Canada predicted thunderstorms would develop along the foothills and move eastward, wrapping up by late evening. When thunder roars, go indoors. Lightning kills and injures Canadians every year, Environment Canada said.